I sat by my fire in the night, the darkness grew deeper around me. The last faint gleams of the flickering light faded out of my sight into night, and the spell of revery bound me. When sudden I saw in the vanishing light a phantom hovering o'er me. It wavered an instant in its flight, then faded from sight into night, and left but the darkness before me. And yet so swift and sudden its flight, so deep the shadows before me, I knew not whether a beckoning sprite had glimmered white in the night, or only a thought sped o'er me.